Alright, here we go with this next one here. Unscrew it, pull it down. Now see, I don't have to take the wire nuts off just yet. That one's a little bit harder to get off. I don't have to do that. Just grab my pliers here. And you know, it's so much easier using your pliers. This one's 2004 September. Chances are all of them are. Usually when you replace smoke alarms, you want to replace them all the same. You don't want to replace one and then do another one and have to remember this one's 5 years older than that one. It just, see, that whoever installed this, they didn't know what side of the mounting bracket to use, because I can tell it's not in the exact right place. Okay, but you don't have to pull the wire nuts down through that hole. Just slide this over, pop it over the screws. Don't take those mounting screws out. And speaking of those mounting screws, if the head's too small, you want to put some bigger ones in there, you can use drywall screws. You know, I've used drywall screws before, and that seems to work just fine. And you don't have to run to the store and get something exactly right to match whatever. Okay. Now this one only has one set of wires in there. They could have used different wire nuts, like orange colored ones. If I ever had a problem with one of these wire nuts coming off, let's say, I could, and if it broke the end of the wire, I could come back and do an orange wire nut on there. Orange is the smallest, and then you've got yellow, and then you've got red. This one's kind of an off-white and red together. Now see, I'm unscrewing it. Okay, there it goes. Finally, sometimes you unscrew it and screw it, and sometimes it breaks the tip off. Okay, and that's not a good thing. Then you'd have to strip the wire back and all that. And usually when I take a wire nut off on one side, I usually like to use the same wire nut that I took off. Now here's something else. Some people scoff at that. Hey, VideoJoe, when you take a wire nut off, you know better than that. You should never use an old wire nut for your project. Always take those and throw them away. I never do. I very seldom do. Put it that way. This thing is still not unscrewing. And lots of times I'm actually surprised that a red wire nut held, because lots of times if you get a wire nut that's too big, sometimes you can't tighten it up with just two wires on a red wire nut like that. Another reason why I like to use yellows, or not yellows, orange. Now see, when I'm trying to tighten this up, look at that. It's just spinning. And the reason why it's spinning is, like I said, it's the hole in there, it didn't snap off, but it's just sometimes they don't tighten up because it's too big. Okay? And so I'm gonna have, and luckily for me, I've got some little orange wire nuts here. No wire nuts come with the job, funny enough, or the mounting screws. Can you believe that? I guess they don't know what kind of box you have. No, usually no mounting screws ever come, so you always have to kind of be ready. Okay, so that was the black one, so I'm going to take the black and I'm going to put it on here, and my word, the wire is stripped way back. It doesn't have to be that far, but as long as it's within the wire nut, you're generally fine. Okay, now, I was going to say, no, this one is holding, but it's not. Dabbity nabbit. Look at that. it came off and it broke.